Yo, this is your man Ishmael. Ball status. Yeah, tomorrow my birthday and I ain't giving up. Alright, I got this new boss ass BB gun. Look at that. What is this? Nigga. That boy can't afford that, boy. That is from Walmart. Expensive. Look at that. Ooh. Get off. I just spray painted it. I painted it. Oh, it was so beautiful. Alright, yeah, boys. This is fully automatic. Like that. There's no bullets in it. See? I just took them out because it shoots hard. So basically, nope. BB guns. I mean, nothing on it. Hold up. Be a boy. Nigga, I got mine for it. Look at that. Let me take a selfie. Alright. Love nigga, baby. What's up? He's out. Peace.